The EDATE function will allow you to take a date and easily add a number of months to it. EDATE's going to allow you to enter a start date, which we'll choose as this one, and then add a number of months to it. So let's add 12 months to it. That will take us 1 year from that original date. And this is really useful if you're happy with the day of the month that you started on, and you want to start on the 1st, for example, and end on the 1st as well. Another useful function here is the end of month function, which we just enter as EOMONTH. End of month is going to return the last day of a month. So if we choose that start date, and we're going to add 0 months to it, we'll get to that in a second. It's going to not return the 1st of January 2030, but the 31st of January 2030. So this is useful when you want a cell to represent the end of the month. And a useful trick here is, let's say that we didn't start at the beginning of a month. Let's say we were on the 5th. If I want to get back to the 1st and I want another cell to start at the start of a month, I can still use this end of month function. However, what I'll do is, let's say I wanted 1 year later, 1st of January 2031. I will say, give me that date and add 12 months to it. That will take me to the end of January. So if I want to get to the start of January 2031, I'll reduce that number of months by 1, which will take me to the end of December. And I'm just going to add 1 to it. Bam. We're at the 1st of January 2031. So this is really useful if you're starting somewhere in the middle of the month. This is a useful way to take you to the 1st of a month. You use end of month and you reduce your added months by 1, and you just add a 1 to the end, add 1 day to the end of it, since the serial number of a month in Excel represents the number of days since 1900. Now there may be times where you want to find the number of days that exist between two dates.